Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here I am today with another new story, but before going into it, I have a small note. And if you are new to this channel and if you are watching this for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon beside it so that you can get the notification immediately whenever I post the video. Let's go into the story. So yeah, today's story is like a conversation between a father and his daughter. The daughter goes through a lot of struggles and problems in her life. At a point of time, she gets tired of all of them. See, everybody will get tired of their problems, like how she got. So she was complaining about all her problems to her father. Her father is a chef, so he don't know like what to say or like how to solve her problems. So he tried in his own way to explain her how to react to the problem. See, everybody will have their own way of reaction. So the thing what he tried to tell her is what we'll see now. He takes 3 bowls. He adds water in all of them. He keeps potato in one bowl, eggs in one bowl, and ground coffee beans in another bowl. And he starts boiling them. And the daughter waits impatiently to see the result of what he's saying. So after like 15-20 minutes, he turns off the burner and he take all the bowls out and he asks her to see what is this. I mean, to observe what it is, to observe what is happening. So she says that it is a potato, egg, and ground coffee beans. But and then he says to observe it clearly. In one bowl, there is potato, which was hard, which was strong before boiling, now became soft and weak. And in another bowl, she finds egg, which was hard and liquid inside before boiling and becomes hard inside after boiling. Likewise, in the third bowl, there are ground coffee beans, which were normal beans before boiling, and after boiling, they turned into a beautiful, strong aroma coffee, which tells her, or which her father told her is, see, everyone will have their own way of reaction. All those 3 bowls gone through same thing, which is boiling. After boiling, one reacted in another way and the other reacted in another way. And the third one gave a strong aroma coffee, which is beautiful. The problem may be big or small. The reaction is only what matters. It shows how we react shows how we solve the problem. If we react bad, it may be bad. If we react positive, it will be positive. If we react negative, it will be negative. Now she is reacting in negative way. She's tired of all her problems. She can't handle all of them. But and then if she think in a positive way, these struggles make her strong. If once she starts thinking positive, she'll find ways to solve the problem. Like how everybody are thinking now. Everybody think negative about one problem, but if you start thinking positive about it at least once, there are chances to find solutions for it. After finding solutions, it is easy to solve a problem, right? Everybody doesn't know that. They always think negative, they always want to get rid of it, but they don't know how to get rid of it. If you want to get rid of something, you have to think about it in all the ways. You have to think about it every time, every point of time, at everywhere. Then at least at one point of time, you'll find the solution. So basically, what I want to tell from the story is your reaction only shows how you look at the problem. Which means how long you take to solve the problem. If you think positive, there are chances that you may solve it within days. If you think negative, it may take years also, right? So start thinking positive about everything. Everything you say is not negative. So if you start thinking positive about something, you will find some positive things about it, which will help you in solving a problem soon. So if you all like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know more like this or something entertaining, please let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.